Our second alumnus award tonight is the Humanitarian Award, which recognizes lifelong service to society or to humankind and honors those who have provided extraordinary service to their community, demonstrating leadership through global or local service. The award honors those who have fulfilled the obligations of their education through creative citizenship and exemplary service leadership in ways that benefit society and bring credit to the institution. It's my pleasure to present this award to Dr. Greg Feinsinger, class of 1968. Congratulations. Give me a moment to expand on your career. Dr. Feinsinger has devoted his life to serving others through compassionate care, community leadership, and a deep commitment to disease prevention. His career in family medicine in Glenwood Springs was marked by a focus on helping patients live healthier lives, work that he has expanded since retirement. Dr. Feinsinger has dedicated his career to advancing preventive health care through nutrition-focused and accessible medical services, and has founded multiple initiatives aimed at reducing the risk of chronic conditions and has worked to eliminate barriers to care, particularly for the underserved communities. His approach includes lifestyle counseling, grocery store visits, and cooking classes, which are all aimed at empowering patients to take control of their health. He's also a published author, newspaper columnist, and philanthropist. Through the Feinsinger Endowed Fund at CU Anschutz, he and his wife Kathleen have helped integrate nutrition and food as medicine into the medical school curriculum, ensuring future physicians are equipped to prevent and treat chronic disease. In recognition of his lifetime of service, Dr. Feinsinger received the 2023 Garfield County Humanitarian Award. His work exemplifies the spirit of this award and the values of our CU medical community. We will now take a look at a video shared by Dr. Feinsinger's nominator, Dr. Stephen Hesse, to highlight more about Dr. Feinsinger's dedication to service.
I'm thrilled to congratulate Dr. Greg Feinsinger on his well-deserved Humanitarian Award, because I have known and admired Greg since the time we were medical students at CU in 1964. And because he has consistently shown compassion for his friends, patients, and community, and worked creatively to improve the lives of many in the Roaring Fork Valley and beyond. Greg said that he chose to go to medical school because of the example of a family physician in Aspen, Colorado, where he grew up. And because he thought that there was no more gratifying profession than to be a family physician and help others. True to that belief, he became the first board-certified family medicine physician in Glenwood Springs, where he worked full-time for 44 years. During that time, Greg became more and more interested in preventive medicine. He often said, "We do not have a health care system in the United States. We have a disease management system." And through his patients, he saw how chronic, common diseases were associated with unhealthy lifestyles, especially unhealthy food. Now, it is one thing to recognize these issues, and it's another to do something about it. And this is where Greg excelled and made a difference in the lives of many people in his community. He started a heart attack, stroke, and diabetes prevention program at Glenwood Medical Associates. He wrote a weekly column in the Glenwood Post for many years, giving solid, evidence-based information for people in the community. He started a free clinic for local Latino community members who were not getting their health care issues adequately addressed by the established medical community. And much more. This has definitely had an impact. Greg has always walked the talk, setting an example of how to care for ourselves. Greg has also contributed generously to many causes that benefit his community. And recently he began even delivering food to patients who are housebound through the Valley Meals program. And he said to me, he felt like he was making hospital rounds again when he was in practice. Well, Greg, I think you're making house calls. Probably like that family doctor in Aspen that you admired so many years ago. So keep it up, my friend. Congratulations on a very well-deserved humanitarian award.
We're used to one-on-one interactions with people. So first of all, I was very surprised and pleased to win this award, and I feel very honored. I have a one-hour PowerPoint presentation that I'd like to watch on plant-based nutrition. Is that ready? But I was told I only have three to 5 minutes, so I won't be able to do that. So I'll spare you tonight from that. But I just would like to make a few thank yous. First of all, I'd like to thank my parents who are long gone for encouraging me to go into medicine. Secondly, I'd like to thank my medical school classmate and good friend Steve Hessel for nominating me. And for making a long drive over here from Carbondale with his wife Karen. Finally, I'd like to thank Judith Alvarez, who was trained in Mexico as a primary care physician. She doesn't have her American license, but she's lived in the Roaring Fork Valley for several years, and she gave me the opportunity to get involved in healthcare for Latino immigrants in the Roaring Fork Valley. And also, she and I started the clinic at Pueblo, the People's Clinic for Latino immigrants, and I thank her for doing that. Finally, I think I need to thank my grandson Liam over here, who is 11 years old and sat through this and ate the vegan meal